Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. John, a woodcutter, worked for a company for 5 years but never got a raise. Stop. The company hired Bill and within a year he got a raise. Stop. Then John resented Bill's getting a raise after only a year and went to his boss to talk about it. Stop. The boss said, "You are still cutting the same number of trees you were cutting 5 years ago." Stop. We are a result oriented company and would be happy to give you a raise if your productivity goes up. Stop. John went back, started hitting harder and putting in longer hours, but he still was not able to cut more trees. Stop. He went back to his boss and told him his dilemma. Stop. The boss told John to go talk to Bill. Stop. Maybe there is something Bill knows that you and I do not. Stop. John asked Bill how he managed to cut more trees. Stop. Bill answered, "After every tree I cut, I take a break for 2 minutes and sharpen my axe." Stop. When was the last time you sharpened your axe? When was the last time you sharpened your axe? Past glory and education do not count for much. Stop. We have to continuously sharpen the axe. Stop. Just as our bodies need good food every day, our minds need good thoughts every day. Stop. The key words in the preceding sentence are good food and good thoughts. Stop. If we feed our body with junk food and our mind with bad thoughts, we will have both a sick body and a sick mind. Stop. We need to feed our mind with the pure and the positive to stay on track. Stop. Continuous positive education leads to positive thinking. Stop. Positive thinkers are like athletes who, through practice, build an inner reservoir of stamina that they draw on during competition. Stop. If they do not practice, they have nothing to draw on. Stop. Similarly, positive thinkers regularly build a reserve of positive attitudes by constantly feeding their mind on the pure, the powerful, and the positive on a daily basis. Stop. They realize that we are all going to be faced with the negative, and if we have the reserve of positive attitudes, we will be able to overcome it. Otherwise, the negative will prevail. Stop. Positive thinkers are not fools and they are not going through life with blinders. Stop. They are winners who recognize their limitations but focus on their strengths. Stop. Losers, on the other hand, recognize their strengths but focus on their weaknesses. Stop. Self esteem is the way we feel about ourselves. Stop. When we feel good within, our performance goes up and our relationships improve both at home and at work. Stop. The world looks nicer. Stop. What could be the reason? Because there is a direct correlation between our feelings and behavior. Stop.